Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyabera. I'm a content creator based in Nairobi, Kenya, and I do content around cooking, cleaning, motherhood and homemaking. First of all, let me start by saying please don't skip the ads. Yes, don't skip the ads because I've just been monetized the other day, and I think I'm now getting to learn the importance of not skipping the ads, because I used to hear my fellow YouTubers say that kindly don't skip the ads, and I was like, why? So don't skip the ads, because there is where we get, should I say, our pay maybe, or our revenue. Yeah, so please guys, don't skip the ads, and like this video, share it out and leave a positive comment. So in today's video, I want to do a variety of things. I want to show you some few things that I got from Naivas Mountain Mall, and a delivery I received yesterday from Kamukunji, and I've also gone to the market. I want to show you the few things that I've got from the market, and yes, so let's get started. I bought some green grapes, not green, the red seedless grapes, and this soft care pampers for my younger son. Unfortunately, Huggies imemshinda and we had to change to soft care, so let me hope it won't react. I also bought these two types of cupcakes and these soft drinks over here. I got Coke original taste, Sprite and Fanta orange, 5 of them. I also bought, for the very first time, I'm going to test GoFruit. Like there's a certain YouTuber by the name Shelby Nodwar, so please kindly go follow her. She does an amazing content, and she loves this juice, to be very specific, GoFruit. Na ameshindia akisema it is the best. So out of pressure, I want to go. Like I went out and decided, like, let me go and have some taste. I hope simbaya. This is multi-fruit and this is GoFruit Mojito. I hope nitamu, as she emphasizes. Some cooking cream, of course, some oranges for everyone in the house, and this is the final thing that I bought. Star Soft, the Spring Fresh, the blue one. Normally I use the purple one. Pampers, not Pampers, small fix for my elder son. Actually, they're 7 in number, 15 to 20 kgs, because my elder son ni kanyama, is quite small, and this is the Pampers that he normally uses. This is his size. I went for this particular one, the Molfix Indogo, because I have like 10 pieces remaining, so nikasema wacha nimuongeze because it's a rainy season and wanasusu kabisa. I also bought this Hanan 4-pack tissue and some candle to use whenever there is no power. And I also bought this one, and let me be honest about this. I don't know how to call it, but niacho. It is the best. It is the best, guys. It has the best scent. Is that the correct grammar? Like, it makes your bathroom fresh for about 3 to 4 days, because I bought another one in my last video and it was my first trial, so I had to get another one because it is good. It is just good. I also bought these feeding bottle for my younger son, because we are training him on how to start holding things. So naweza mwekea hapa maji, maybe maziwa, at least he starts kujitegemea, because he's 1 year old. And yes, Finally, guys, I bought this parcel machine wash. Yes, because I finally managed to get a machine, and I'm not so sure if the video of the machine will be included in this video. I'm not so sure because it has not yet been delivered, and let me see if I will attach the video of the machine here, because we are supposed to go today to collect it from Naivas. Not really collecting, but just to make sure it is the one, because we paid and they ordered from the warehouse, so we were told to go and confirm today that truly that is what we wanted and that is what we paid for, so before it gets delivered. So finally a machine, because the weather currently it is actually raining kabisa, like it's raining. And for me, utapata I stay in the fourth floor of my house, in the building where I stay. We don't access direct sunlight, so whenever we hang our clothes, they take some good time, and I feel it's not good because I have small babies. And let me be very specific. In layman's language, you normally say direct sunlight ni mzuri because inakausha nguo kabisa. So that's a challenge to me because nguo hazikauki. So I had to go get the machine, and let me hope it will do me a good job. So on to the next things. This is what I got from Kamukunji, and please, I did not go to Kamukunji in person. This is actually a chama. We are like 10 members. We contribute a certain amount of money, and you decide on what you want. If it's beddings, if it's utensils, if it's carpet, curtains, just anything that you want in the house. So for me, I felt I really want these fridge organizers because I've been seeing them from various YouTubers and also from several people. I bought this one. I know how I'm going to use it. I bought this one. It has a small scratch over here, but it's okay. I bought two of these. Each was going for, I think, 400, if I'm not wrong. I also bought this one, this soap pump, because why not? I also got this one, and I can't wait. It actually came with this sponge like this. And finally, I got 4 of these. Sorry about that. I got 4 of these acrylic organizers, 4 of them, because why not? You know, wanasemanga, let's take advantage of good things. Whenever they come, just make sure you have them, because it's like season. You can see this thing, by the time you unafikiria kwenda kuipata, unasikia like it's out of stock. So for the longest time ever, I've been eyeing these acrylic organizers, and finally I managed to get them through my chama, and yeah, I'm so happy for that. They're just the same, they're just the same, the size, everything. 4 of them.
I've never had anyone complete the words I say. You told me the one you're with can make you feel this way.
Also guys, this is what I've got from the market. This is managu. It was going for 100 bob. These are the pumpkin leaves, also for 100 bob. Some spinach and sukuma wiki over here, each for 20. And some kikwetu, we call them saga. This one was for 200. because it's rarely found in the market, so nimeipata leo and I decided to buy it in bulk. I've also bought these capsicum. Each was they were being sold at 3 at 20 shillings, so I bought for 100 bob. Also these tomatoes, I think all of them were going for, I think 120, 130 there. Some butternut for my younger son, some carrots over here, and some lemons. We've also got some lemons. I think I will separate them while washing, so I think that is when you'll see them clearly. And this is terere. This bunch was going for 20 bob, so I got this one alone because I don't like them. I also got these spring onions for 20 shillings and these potatoes for 200. And these coriander leaves. So I want to wash everything with you, then arrange. Oh, I've also got this one. This is kunde, or in English we call them cowpeas. Yes, I think I'm correct. This was going for 100 bob. Like I bought everything for 100 bob because I think vile kuna mvua mboga iko sokoni mob, so everything was for 100 bob apart from this one here. So let's wash and we see what we will do next.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
day, guys, and we finally finished cooking all the greens. We packed our whatsoever's here, so I want to show you how they look like before I keep them in the fridge. It's raining outside, so don't mind about my Marvin. I've not done my hair yet, but hopefully mvua ikisha I will have to go and do it. I can't remove the Marvin because it's looking pathetic. So let me show you how they look like and we arrange the fridge with you people. They actually look more before you undo them, but hizi ndo mboga zote. So if you could have been wondering, si mingi. This one is the pumpkin leaves. Ini saga. This is managu. This is kunde, and this one is the one we call miro. So ndio hizi zote. I want to keep them in the fridge, and also here is the containers that I showed you before. We washed them off camera, repacked everything off camera, and this is how they look like. So I want to store them away, and we call it a video. About the coriander leaves, this is how you store them. You put them in a glass of water, and you keep changing the water daily. They will remain fresh even for the whole month. They are more, so I had to divide them into two. So let's keep them away and nini. And by the way, I had to wrap all of them, as you can see, because zimelala kwa fridge hivyo wazi, and unfortunately zina sweat, so I had to wrap them, and I'm sure this way they will stay for a long time. So let's arrange. My fridge is clean, guys, so don't worry if you don't see me doing it, because I already cleaned it off camera.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.